That's pretty narrow. There's the rolling frame, ready for more wiring. And I might use the old tank, I'm not sure yet. It does give it a sort of nice shape to the whole bike. I have the taillight LED stuff coming today, so I can finish that. And then we're going to spend a couple of days of 8-9 hours get this thing sparking. I guess the tank would be more like this, but probably is a bit too high on the front. But that's the shape. And that's a TD or TR Vesco tailpiece, made in California. Really fits the tank well. Probably gonna get hit with a strike on this copyright, so music's a little bit loud. Lots of clearance on the rear fender for the enduro factor of these bikes. Wish me luck. The handlebars are bent, so I have to find an alternative. It didn't pass the roll down the alley test, so. But there's the foot peg. It worked out quite well. Okay guys, you have a good day, get something done, and I'll talk to you soon.